What's the problem? Did I stop the blender so I can hear you? Are you eating broccoli? Yummy. Oh.
It's very impressive considering he sneers at a lot of vegetables.
It's not the taste, it's the texture, but yeah, it is surprising. Oh, is that good?
Soup. Soup.
Broccoli. Bread. Broccoli. How many broccoli heads have you eaten, Ian? 2?
That's 3 right there.
Nuh-uh. Really?
Mm-hmm.
Is that good? Oh, you ate all your broccoli. Oh, one more. All gone.
More?
More broccoli? Okay. We're not going to say no. Say bye-bye.